I said Joe! What up YouTube? My name is Raap. This is Raap on point and welcome back. But if you're new to the channel, how you doing? Thank you for being here. We are gonna react to a Deformed Lunchbox video that they uploaded 3 weeks ago. They always come out with the craziest stuff. And I'm psyched for this one. I can't believe I missed this one. This was uploaded 3 weeks ago and it's called Sneeze of Death. The hell? Y'all messing up my intro! But yo, check this out. Yeah, we're gonna check this one out, and I'm psyched. Like I said, I already see a blonde chick with a freaking drill. What is she doing with that? But yo, anyway, look, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 15k subscribers by tomorrow. Smash that like, hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload or when I go live. And yo, enough talk. We know what time it is. If you dig it and you with it, let me know, because we about to get into this video. So let's go. Alright, Deformed Lunchbox, what you got for us? Sneeze of Death. What's going on? Can you not sneeze? I hate when that happens. Yo, hold up. She about to hit herself with the feather. But don't y'all hate it when you're about to sneeze and someone's just looking at you and they just fuck up your sneeze? You're like, stop looking at me! That shit's wild, but I wonder why that happens, you know? Don't tell me the drill's gonna... What?! That works? Pepper. Don't what? Yo! Ugh, you about to make me sneeze. You made my eyes watery. No! Oh my god. A dandelion? Dandelions are special just like you. What the hell's going on? Yo! Is that her brain? Like pieces of her brain? Hold up. I want to read that. Hold up. I want to read that. Roses are red, violets are blue, but dandelions are special just like you. It's the same shit. I don't get it. Are you crying, my G? You're crying. No, what? What? You're obsessed. Homie! That shit look nasty, dog. Yo. the end. This was nasty. What? Deformed Lunchbox, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna end the video right there. This one was crazy, just like the rest of them. I have reacted to more of their content. If you want to check that out, that's gonna be in my Raap Reactions playlist. Feel free. Yikes, man! The fuck? All that brain matter all over the... Oh my god, I don't... Look, man. Look, if you gotta sneeze... I guess sneeze in a private place so no one will fuck your sneeze up when you're trying to sneeze, you know, comfortably. But look, yo, I would like to know your thoughts on this one. This one was wild, man. This one was wild. The other one that was wild to me too was Ice Trays. That one is a goodie. I've reacted to that one. But yo, look, if you're not subscribed to Deformed Lunchbox, their link will be in the description. Also, yo, check out their content, man. They have some crazy shit. Alright, some crazy shit. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 15k subscribers by tomorrow. Smash that like, hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload when I go live. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I know this one was kind of nasty, but yo, I'm with it, man. I am with it. Their content is always phenomenal. It's always crazy. I said that right. Nasty. Look, man, they're the best. But yo, I hope you guys are keeping the positive vibes up and the negative shit out. I hope you're staying blessed out there. Stay safe. Always rap on point. Wash your hands. Wash your ass. Peace and unity. Till next time. Adios.
They like that, boy. It's more than that, homie. It's a lot more than that. I put the pill on them.